3, 2, 1.
Good morning, everybody. We have a 30 by 40 pole barn here. Came and formed this up the other day. Well, actually last week I formed this up. So we're gonna pour this out today. We're gonna rock and roll with this. We got concrete coming at 11 o'clock. They're gonna be here soon. I got the guys on the way in the truck. They're coming. I got all this formed up, like I said the other day. I got him a true inch or two under the 2x4 to give him a true 5 to 6 inches in here. He's gonna be parking a boat on here, so I want to give him a nice thick slab. It comes out to 36 feet, and then I got it winging down to a little apron area for him to ramp up to get onto the flat slab. That's pitching out ever so slightly, 1.5% pitch. And we have mud rolling, so about to start pouring this bad boy. We are in the weeds already. There's another truck out there waiting. I told him to give us 25-minute spacing. All right, Steven. Take this out, roll it up. Hey, a little more water. Hey, keep your eyes on that. I don't think it's gonna move. This is full.
So I put it to the side, you can finish?
Yeah.
Finish?
No, broom.
Oh, nice.
Nice light broom. Fuck, man.
It's pretty clear, you might as well come in a little more.
Yeah, but the thing is if the front of the truck goes up, he won't be able to get out. Yeah, but it might go up a couple inches. All that weight, all those thousands of pounds on that bit. Watch out for that roof. Make sure it's not going up. Hey dog, relax. Woo! Oh, fucking A.
Woo! Good morning. Oh.
I'll take care of y'all, man.
Hey, worry about it. You got plenty, boy.
Oh yeah. Oh. Whee! All right, Steven, come grab a shovel and rake this shit out with us. He's cleared that now, he's good. Hold on, no, get that shit down, hold on. Hold on, where's the nail at? Where's the nail at? Start dragging that shit back, Steven. Over here, Steven. Over here, Steven. Behind me. Drag all that shit back. All right, get up in there with him. Huh? Here, dog. Get that shovel, start raking some shit down. Just go in the fucking pile and start getting the mud back. Yep. All right, we're back now. We're out of the weed. Whee! Nice and easy. Give me some mud, give me some mud.
All right. Still got one more grade right here.
I know, I'll get one now. All right, let's get that line.
My bad.
All right, Steven, pull me out. There, where I'm pointing. Right there. Go down. Pull tight. Right there. That's so good.
You need a little closer. I didn't nail.
I got one right behind that one too. I got one right here too, right next to it. I just wanted to get you a little closer. Nice. All right, roll her up. I like it, baby, yeah. Come grab that shovel and do what we're doing.
Okay.
Better put that bit right back in your hand now.
Watch out!
Huh?
You want him to watch out?
Right here.
Right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can back. Fucking.
You gotta put the foam up anyway. So.
Yeah. Wash out in the dirt road. I'll clean it up right off the bank.
Okay. Let's see.
All right. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, hey Hoos.
Yeah, I know. Hot though.
Very hot. Good thing this little overhang here. Whew. Man, guys, that shit killed us. But we are still alive and breathing. Yes, sir. Yes, water, please. All right, guys, I gotta install this form real quick. Steven, look alive, man. Shovel all this out of here. I need all that out. Let's go, let's go. Concrete's here, let's go. All right, put the form up. I need 2 pins. Put a few gallons in her. Wet her up. Hot and, it's hot and heavy on concrete day, dog. You know what I mean? That's right. You know I love you. It's hot and heavy on concrete day. I get fucking pretty. Woohoo! Yep. Looking good, dog. Pull me up. Some mud. This here is called a Darby, guys, and I love this tool. A lot of guys don't like it, but I love it. Yep. That's like a curb and gutter thing. A lot of old school guys taught me about this bit.
I don't know about y'all, but
What? Are you good?
yeah, how fucking good for this?
Quick. Because of you. It was because of Hey Hoos. Hey Hoos. Hey Hoos. I love you, Hey Hoos. Steven will take care of you later if you want him to. He'll give you a good time. It's all in the motion, man. Yeah. Boom, blend right in. See how I go up and then I blend it right in. See, Steven, I come up, I get my side flat, and then
You see how he's barely leaving a line at the end? This is what he gotta look for. This line over here.
Yeah.
That means that he's very close to it. You know, no holes. Otherwise you're gonna see probably a hole over here. You know? And obviously go up.
he's getting the hang of it soon, so he'll have it.
And with him,
How many?
big. This is not big. This is little shit. Well, for me,
Yeah, this is an easy day.
I used to work in high rises where, you know, he from statewide used to work at statewide, right?
Oh yeah. I was just telling him before he came here, I said, Cuba, who's coming here? I said, badass motherfucker, boy.
Statewide don't pour no less than 60 trucks. That's 40 yards.
We poured 2 trucks today.
Are we good, you done? Are we good with buddy? Or you want to give it?
Hold on 1 second.
1 second. We got to do that. 1 second.
We poured out fast as hell. The least he can do. The least he can do is wait. The least he can do is wait 1 second for us. Hold on.
An hour. They say a little bit less than an hour because it's not supposed to be like 12 or 5 or something. An hour. Now we can wait. Now it's 12 o'clock. Now by 1:30, 2 o'clock, they should be all ready to, probably even earlier depending. It should be ready to start putting in the machine.
Fuck yeah.
And that's it. All it is just take care of the corners and the machine.
Tell him we are good. Give me a little fucking, no, I don't need anything.
Just push it up. Oh, what?
Yes. Why are you so smart, Jesus? Oh. Nice job, gentlemen. A+. Ow. We are trowel machining. We are on to the finishing process. One of the last stages. So I'm gonna start stripping these forms and cleaning up the tools with Steven. And I got my men finishing the concrete. I have full faith in them. They're vetted finishers, very good men. So they're gonna be finishing the slab. And I'm gonna be trying to do what I can to hurry up and get out of here. We're gonna make Cuba designated cameraman for the day.
What happened? Got it?
Beautiful.
That is fine. I gotta just run that side. Looking good. Look, all the corners. Now we're good. We're looking beautiful, baby. Fantastic. Nice, nice. Fuck yeah.
I want to go all the way to the top here because we don't want to get any dirt.
Don't look like you doing a good job around here.
So we're getting halfway. Just halfway up the corn. Just get it close. You really don't even have to get it to the fork. Just pull the dirt close to it like that. And then when I strip it, I'll fucking move the dirt back up.
All right, baby boy, let's time to fucking trowel. Where the fuck is my trowel? See my trowel machine? You know, these edges are fucking ready. Beast mode. Learn, kids.
Tony, bring it back out this way, right? Bring it all this way, so you can't broom on that side.
Okay.
All right.
Hey.
Got that little hand broom he has at the sliders?
Yeah.
Around all the columns.
You got it, you got it. Let me finish trolling and I go.
Do it together. Trowel and broom it.
Oh. Hold on, I got my rhythm going on, baby. Yeah, I got my rhythm going on. Let me not stop. Let me at least get. But yeah, we're good over here now. Yeah, right.
Hey, we gotta cut some, group some joints in it. Forgot to tell you.
Yeah, you forgot to tell us. Woo. Yeah. It's already hard, big dog, and nothing I can do. We'll give it a nice fucking seal, baby boys. Look at that cream with these fucking horsehair. They killed the horse from from Yellowstone to do just this broom. Nice lines. Nice clean lines. See? Nice clean lines. So you work. You clean. Nice lines, baby boy. Oh man, it's gonna be a really nice slab.
You know why? Because I'm here.
It's you. Man, you didn't see me throwing that floor. That floor was working by itself.
That coming on was working.
Man. Well, all the corners look good. Yeah. Everything is looking super fantastic, baby.
Yeah, it's fine. It's looking nice, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
Getting ready to be all finished up here. Thank you guys for watching. Today was really stressful, so sorry if I was acting a little weird on camera. I just had a lot on my mind recently and today, so I haven't really been in my right state of mind, so bear with me here. But we're almost done. We have one more section, you can see from there to here. We have this one more section of broom, but everything from the right of my arm is done. Everything has a nice edge and everything has a nice acceptable broom. Job came out really good. I'm happy, the guys are happy. Now it's time for me to pay the guys, so that doesn't make me happy, but everybody needs money. I love being able to pay these guys so they can feed their families. Makes me feel good. Until next time, guys.
Ready?
I'm ready, baby.